If you have bananas at home, make this delicious recipe. To start, peel 2 bananas. Next, place them in a bowl. Then add 2 whole eggs and using a mixer, blend everything very well until it forms a paste. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 7 US fluid ounces of milk. Blend again until you get a smooth mixture. In a frying pan, add 5 ounces of sugar mix. Add 3.5 US fluid ounces of water, mix well, and let it caramelize again. Pour all the caramel into a baking pan and, using your hands, move it around to cover the bottom evenly. Now pour the mixture you prepared earlier into the caramelized pan. Cover it with aluminum foil. In a larger baking dish, pour enough water to prepare a water bath and place the pan with the mixture inside. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Once baked, remove it from the mold and it's done. Our delicious banana pudding is ready. It's a practical and tasty recipe. Cut a slice and give it a try. The flavor is irresistible. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button on our video. Not part of our channel yet? Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes video.